Good day to you all. How are you doing today? Hope you're cool. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about best AI hustle to make nothing less than $1,000 in a day. Yes, I mean it. Yeah, as you can see, side hustle are now much practice for many Americans. According to recent survey of data, 58% of Gen Z and 55% of Nylon and 40% of Gen Z have one AI hustle they are doing every day. Yes, there are many AI hustle you can try and make at least 1,000 USD in a day. Yeah, money making with AI is all about automations. Yes, using intelligence applications or framework on complete time resources, intensive slacks and tasks. So many of them. Yeah, we have so many of them. We have so many of them. So there are no limits to the kind of AI hustle we can do and make money in a day with it. So the number one I'll be talking on is freelance writing. Yes, freelance writing. Yes, freelance writing. With many business now looking how to increase their market shares with compelling stories, there are opportunities for many AI talented writers to improve their income. So what do you mean by freelance writing? So for instance now, you come to websites called something like Fiverr. You can come to Upwork, you can just search like AI editors. You can search like AI editors, AI content editors, AI editors. So you can search for it, AI content editors. So there are so many AI editors online. Let's search for AI content editors. AI content editors. Yeah. So AI content editors. So as you can see, so apart from working on Fiverr as AI editors, you can see come to somewhere they can use like tools like Chat GPT. Can use tools like Chat GPTs, like Cloud AI to edit content and write content. As you can see, I will generate unique bulk AI articles using Chat GPT. I'll manually edit your proofread, paraphrase, and SEO, optimize your AI written content. So there are so many services you can render with AI content writing. You can use AI to write for blogs as well. You can use it to write for blogs. You can use it to write your blog posts, social media posts, so many things you can use AI for. The second one is social content creation. Yes. If you're already running a side hustles, you know the importance of social media. Yes, social media posts. Social platform can help you connect with your target audience and engage new customers. AI can help you generate social media content based on your social audience sizes and suggest the platform most impact. For instance, we have something like okay, we have something like so we have something like want to create a social content for a drug training Facebook page. You can just come to Cloud AI and tell list five content ideas for a dog training Facebook page. So as you can see, here is the 5 social media content ideas for dog training Facebook page. We have training tips, we have question and answer session, we have successful story, we have educational posts, and we have behind the scene. Let's just go with the first one. You can just tell Cloud AI to give you a 3 training social media posts for a dog training tips, for training tips for dogs. As you can see, here are 3 tips for social media posts for dogs: sit and stay, loose lash walking photo carousels, recall training videos. So we can use AI to schedule our training, to schedule our social media posts, to write our social media posts. Another thing we can use AI for is SEO improvement. SEO improvement. So now, for instance, now we already have a written articles. Now you can just tell AI, like, okay, fine, I want you to improve the SEO of this content. I want you to improve the keyword with 5% keyword density. I want you to improve the H1, the H2, the keyword. I want you to include the outbound link. So many things like that, and AI will do it for us like that. That's just it. There are so many things you can use AI for at the side also, and all these side also we can use it. We can render it on agency website, freelance website like Fiverr, like Upwork, like 5free.com, people per hour, wood.com. So many of them. We can use. We can render it on service on so many of them. So I don't want this video to be long like that. So thank you for listening, and please subscribe to my channel for more entertaining and educative video like this. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye.